In this video, we'll walk through how to use the mobile check-in app to track attendance at your events. You can download the mobile check-in app from any app store by searching Campus Labs Check-in. Only members of your organization in charge of tracking attendance will need to download the check-in app. In the app, insert your event access code and click Start Session. You can find your event access code from the Manage Events side of BoilerLink. For help finding your access code, view the Track Attendance video. Once you've selected Start Session, you'll be prompted to log into your career account using your two-factor authentication. Once you've logged in, you can view your event details and click Start Scanning to start tracking attendance at your event. You can also access the Event Pass scanning page by clicking the scanner icon in the bottom of the screen. Select the search option to search people by name or Purdue email if they don't have access to their Event Pass. You can also view your attendees list to see who's checked into your event and remove people who were checked in by mistake. Once you select Start Scanning, scan event passes, and a box will pop up where you can view their RSVP status and check them into the event. As always, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us on the 3rd floor of the Kroc Leadership Center or call our office Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also email us at sao@purdue.edu.